What's up YouTube? We back at it again. In today's video we're going to be installing my Trufiber carbon fiber door lever inserts. I didn't get these through Trufiber. I got them through Road Performance. For the simple reason is Road Performance is here in California, and I thought it'd be quicker, if I bought it through them. But to make a long story short, they ordered it from Trufiber, and Trufiber sent it to them. Then they sent it to me, where I could just went straight to Trufiber myself, use my little discount code and whatnot, and got a little faster and a little bit cheaper. Oh well, you live and you learn. Let's get this video started.
This 50 go.
It's 2020. Don't drink and drive.
Alright, let's get this bad boy open. Okay. We got a shirt right there. That's cool. Make sure you go check them out and follow them on Instagram. Now, the main part. Here and another piece here. Next time you see these bad boys, they'll be on the car. Alright, we're inside the car. I know it's gonna kind of be hard to do this. You get you a pry tool or a small screwdriver. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's a little lip. You just want to pop it off. Just like that. Now, that's going to be kind of scary to do when you have this, trying to take this back off. You're going to be scared you're going to crack it. But I mean, shit, I guess that's what it's made for, these little metal tips. But it's kind of scary. But what you want to do is, they are side specific. This right here. Let me see, wait, okay, you want to match the sides up. So, you see, this will go on the other side. This part right here goes toward the back of the handle. And it's not chipped, that's just how it is. There is a little piece of, I think it was Velcro or sound deadener behind it, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a piece behind it too. Alright, let's see, I got some Dynomat. Got a little square cubes, it don't gotta be perfect. And we're just gonna stick them on the back, just like that, just the way the factory one was. Don't have to be perfect, you don't even have to do this, but I'm sure Ford did it for a reason, to probably make some kind of vibration noise or something from maybe the music, the speakers vibrating or something. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Alright, just getting back on the car. Maybe I should ceramic coat it real quick. Yeah, let me ceramic coat it. Alright, we got them all ceramic coated right now. Just wiping them down real quick. Like I said, you could go to Bosch and get this and put the code in this 50 go. And I think you'll save like 15% or something like that. I don't know. It's been a while. But let's get these bad boys back on the car. Alright, we're back over here to the car. Now you're just going to want to hopefully just pop these bad boys in. Not much to it. Wipe it down. All right, we're going to the driver's side now. The passenger side. GoPro battery died, so I gotta do it with one hand. Hold on. All right, back in here. Don't think that's in there. That's not in. This side's not in. Hold on. Let me take this back out. I might not be able to do this with one hand. All right, so there you have it. We have the passenger side. Wipe it all down. It's a better look of it in there. So that's that real, where you actually replace the whole piece, not just stick it on. But it is what it is. All right, take a look at the driver's side. Okay. Do the same to the driver's side. Wipe it down, and you'll be all set. Like I said, the only reason I ceramic coated it, because once again, you know, you got your fingernails and rings and shit like that, and you pulling in there, you could scratch it up. You don't have to ceramic coat it, but that's why I did it. Alright, here's a better picture of it in the sun. Said carbon fiber looks better when it's in the sun. And I think the sun's on the other side a little bit better, so let's go take a look at the other side. Okay, we're on the other side now, and see, it looks a lot better. Alright, shout out to my boy on Instagram for letting me know about this part right here, because I didn't even know Trufiber sold it. But anyway, it's a little easy video. I hope you enjoyed it. You know, I know it wasn't much to it. It's a little cheap part, under $50. Anybody can afford it. So if you already invested a little bit of money and you got all the other carbon fiber stuff in your car, you might as well get it. Do you need it? No. But do you want it? Yeah. So, alright, I give it a thumbs up. You know the routine. Hit that like and subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at this50go. Don't drink and drive. Until next time, peace.